happiness. Wish you good health, long life. We love you. On behalf of Mama Mary Grace and Nino, we're sending our warmest greetings on your birthday. God bless you. Bye.
95th and still counting. Happy birthday, Tia Monina.
Happy birthday, Lola Monina. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tia Monina. May God's blessing continue to shine upon you, especially on your birthday and always. We love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tia Monina.
Happy 95th birthday, Lola Monina. We love you so much and we're wishing you great health and great happiness. Love you.
Hi, Tia Monina. Happy birthday and happy 95th birthday. Wishing you good health and long life. God bless. Miss you, Tia Monina. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Lola Monina. This is Nana from Canada, Vancouver, Canada, with my family. Glenn,
Kiefer, Kenneth,
Christopher,
TJ.
And sorry we cannot be there for your birthday because of work reason, but we just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and we wish you good health and more blessings. Stay strong, and we hope to see you again
in the near future.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola Monina.
Love from New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Lola Monina. From Jana. Jam. Ang wish ko namin sa inyo ay mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo.
Tia Monina, nabalikaan ko po birthday mo pala. Kaya ako nagluwas ako ng Manila para lang batiin kita dahil walang signal doon sa Bicol. Kaya nangangampanya ako kay Rosemary ay purok walang mga signal ko. Kaya nagsadya ako dito para special na batiin kita na happy birthday to Tia Monina. Wishing you to have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. I hope na 1 century pa po ang itatagal mo. At saka Tia Monina, huwag mong kakalimutan na ituloy-tuloy mo lang po yung pagkakasino mo. Na sana pag nanalo ka naman po, balatuhan mo naman ako. Happy birthday, Tia Monina.
Tia Monina, happy birthday po. Sabi na po nila ito lahat, kaya wala na pa ako sasabihin. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Monina.
Hello po, Mama Monina. Magandang umaga po dyan sa inyo. Kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng happy birthday. Bigyan pa po kayo ng kalakasan ng Panginoon, good health, at lagi kayo iingatan ng Lord. Salamat po, Mama Monina. Naging kabahagi kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At nawa po, sa mga susunod pang taon, magkita pa rin tayo. Pagpalain po kayo ni Lord, good health and prosperity. Hindi kayo pabayaan ni Lord, ang buong pamilya po ninyo. Muli po, Mama Monina.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday and more power and birthdays to come. God bless po.
Pala kayo.
Hi, I'm Amy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Momsy! Hope you choose the right winning machine. Happy birthday to you again.